Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing the couples yoga challenge with my boyfriend, Darian. Now we actually have tried this challenge once before. We filmed it and everything and it just didn't work out. Like, it was really complicated, the poses that we picked. And also, like, just the lighting and the positioning wasn't right. It just didn't look good. So I didn't end up posting it. But I thought now would be one of the best times to try it again and cure our boredom since we are stuck in the house. So yeah, I picked a couple poses off of the internet. I did pick hard poses, but I didn't pick like impossible ones. Like, I'm not even gonna try and like do a certain position if I know my body just can't bend that way. There's a little less than 10 just because I really feel like these are gonna take us a while to master. We are going to try our best to get our closest to the picture, but again, we're not like gymnasts. We don't do yoga on the daily. And also, we are pretty sore right now because yesterday we were really active outside. So I'll be putting a picture of the first pose right here on the screen, and this one, it looks kind of complicated. If you really look at one person, they're not really like bending that complicated, so I feel like this is definitely manageable. The girl has one leg like this, and the guy does the same thing in the back, but like on the other side. So I'm gonna go this way, and then you do this. And then we like interlock or something. Oh wait, go down more, go down more.
Huh?
No, we on the other leg.
Huh?
Next pose is fairly easy. I feel like we'll definitely be able to do this. But we're not going to be able to do it as straight and perfect as they are. But we'll get close to it. So, pose number 2.
What's pose number 2?
The simple one that you said you could do.
Oh, yeah.
But your legs have to be straight. Like, you have to be completely straight. Your legs are up straight in the air. Yeah. Straight. Both. How the heck am I going to get up here? You're so much taller than me. We'll do it this way first. And then just get me up. Legs completely whoa, why am I wobbling? Stay. Alright, go. Alright. Oh.
I'll tell you when to go.
Alright.
Alright, come.
How am I gonna get up there? Your legs are in the way. Oh! This is good. Okay. I think we got that one. That's the closest we're gonna get to that one, so I would say that was like a 9 out of 10. Alright, here's the third pose.
What's the third one?
This is gonna be the hardest one.
God.
For me, not even, you're not even doing nothing. Okay, so your feet are actually on my butt, not my back. And, oh my god. You're not holding me at all.
Alright.
You just have both your hands down. And then my hands are like wrapping around my ankles. Alright. Alright, just make your legs straight.
What happened?
My freaking head banged into your freaking head. I literally heard the biggest freaking crack, bro. This one is dangerous. I don't know if you guys heard that crack, but I literally like...
Should I take off my socks? So it's
what is that gonna do?
Because I have more grip on my feet.
Well, I literally, like, I don't know how do you tell if you have a concussion or not? I literally feel like you got a concussion from that.
Look it up.
I'm sorry for anybody who wanted to see us attempt this, but we did, and it went terribly wrong. And I feel like your balance is just not going to be able to do
It's because of my socks.
It's your socks. Well, this one I feel like is not possible for us. So we're going to move on, just because that really hurt. Pose number 4. This one, alright. So you're going to stand up. Our arms are like out and holding. How are my hands about? Okay, wait, bend down.
How far down?
Alright, and now just like pick me up.
Hold on.
Wait, am I in the air?
Yeah.
My feet aren't touching the ground.
Nope, they're in the air.
How is this supposed to be like... Isn't yoga supposed to be like peaceful? Oh, Darian. How about I get on your back while you're sitting down and then you can just stand up? Because I can't get up to your back because you're taller than me. Alright, so get up. around like a freaking monkey. Hold on. Give me your arms. We need to hold hands. Other arm. Can you not do? We need to make this up a little bit.
My legs hurt now.
They hurt?
Yeah.
It's fine. My head hurts. My skull hurts.
Oh my god, all this weight.
All this weight. I'm literally like not even 100 pounds. Give me your other hand. Alright, no.
I can't.
Alright. I'm gonna sit up here. Oh, give me your hand. Ah! Your arms are too long. This is it.
This is it.
Fifth pose. This was easy.
Oh, yeah, that's easy.
This is like a little break from the bumps in the road, alright? Arms straight. Up?
Can I go up?
Yeah. Like a push-up.
Oh.
Alright, yeah? Yeah. Do like literally like you're doing a push-up. Like your back is like really straight whenever you do push-ups. Yeah. Just hold it for like literally a second. This is it.
Oh my god.
Sixth pose. This one looks easy. On his part, it's really, really easy. On my part, I feel like it's all balance. My foot is on top of your foot.
But then I grab your other one.
Yeah. And then I'm like, how the heck am I gonna? Oh yeah, you have to like, pull me up. Yeah. And then.
Alright.
But like how?
Just push up now.
I love it to the side.
You got
Here,
it.
maybe I do like try the other foot. Are you ready?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yep.
That is literally not relaxing, peaceful, or anything in any way, shape, or form.
That's how I'm putting all effort in this.
You should be alright. Oh, this is good. Ah! That one was good. Alright, we got that one. So this is our last pose, and I feel like we got the other ones pretty good.
How about this, right?
Yeah. This one I think is a little on the easier side. Oh!
It's because of my socks, I'm telling you.
Alright, well take out your socks. Alright, my head is at this end. You have to stay still. If you're gonna go down, tell me.
Alright.
Oh my god, my back isn't even like long enough. Oh! I can't touch my... Oh!
Alright.
Alright. That was literally probably the hardest one. Like, besides the one that I got a concussion on, this one was probably the hardest. And it looks kind of easy. Just because, like, you're just, like, you know, arching your back over. But, like, this one is so much harder than it looks. Because your back was like this. So that means I have to arch my back. I think I'm going to add this one in just as, like, an extra, like, bonus one at the end. Even though we already said the last one was the last. I feel like this one's just for fun. Just to see if we can do it. It looks kind of hard. Alright, so you'll do that. And then I, like... Whoa, what are you doing?
Okay, my legs cannot go straight.
Alright, how about... We'll do an easier version. You can stay on your knees, and then...
Alright, yeah.
Yeah. It's not the same. It's kind of similar. Oh, I have to do that thing where I'm like... Ready? Oh! I got it. I literally... If that wasn't in the camera frame, I don't even care. Just take my word for it. I tried my best, and I kind of got close. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what other challenges you would want to see us do, because I really like doing these with you. I feel like they're really fun. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.